How to set up Acuity Scheduling tutorial for beginners. Hi there, today we will be learning about Acuity Scheduling. This is an online appointment scheduling software that helps businesses and professionals manage their appointment and bookings. This provides centralized platforms where clients can schedule appointments while businesses can set their availability and manage their calendars. So the platform here that you can actually just go to your browser and search for Acuity Scheduling. You can just click on the first link that you have and you can try it for free. So, with this platform here, it actually offers features such as online scheduling, calendar management, automated reminders, integrations, online payments, etc. So, for you to begin, what you need to do is when you try to get started with scheduling or equity scheduling rather, you can log in using your Google account, or you can just simply create an account with your email and you can set up your own password. Once you have signed in, like what I have here, I just signed in with my Google account. What I'll do here is that equity scheduling will actually be asking you to create your own or to start creating your schedule on the first part of the setting up. So you can try to set up on what type of service you are offering or what the name of your business is, and then they will ask you on setting up your first appointment type. So you will be naming your appointment like therapy or um, an appointment for nail salon or a consultation, depending on what your business is offering, you can definitely name it as well. So here you can time or you can actually input as well the duration, and you can even choose whether the appointment type would be an appointment or would it be a class. So here you can also set up your availability where you will be able to set a date on when this type of um when this type of offer or when this type of availability where or when this appointment would be available for you. So, for example, here, when we create that here, it will automatically pop up here on your calendar. So, this will be your dashboard. You'll be able to see here that on this upper right corner, you'll be able to see the other Squarespace platform that you can take advantage. But for here, what we are doing is just using scheduling, and you will be able to see a calendar here as well on the left side panel of the screen, and you'll be able to take a look on which dates have a booked appointment. So for this, you will be able to here as well, you can schedule the page. This is where your clients can schedule your appointments. Here you can also modify your availability, your appointment types, and a lot more that they offer, even payment settings, integrations, and you can even sync your calendars as well. So, what we can do here is that with availability, this is one of the main options that we will be tackling about today. That would be availability. We'll be talking about appointment types, and we will be able as well on modifying your schedule pages. So let's start with availability here. So you'll be able to set up where you can check whether it would be or if you would have regular hours every week. You can just click on a specific day of the week here, and then you can modify what time your business is open. And then here you can click on calendar settings, and then you'll be able to modify on the location. If you want to add images, you can even add a links and a lot more. So here you can also modify, or what you can do here is that on this um override hours for specific days, you'll be able to see on or the bold or the square with the bold box, those are an indication that there was a booked appointment for that already. So here, when you set hours for availability, beside that, there's calendar scheduling limits. This is where you'll be able to modify on how many hours in advance can the customer book your class and how many days in the future can they book. they can even modify here on when your clients will be allowed to reschedule or cancel the appointment. And you can even set up the appointments per time slot here. So you can even modify as well on how many maximums you can take for the day. And that would be depending on your time, or this is actually very important so that you will be able to manage your business efficiently as well, especially when it comes with appointments, since sometimes it may have conflicts with their two customers or clients that were booked on the same day, which could be a hassle on your end as well. So here, this is an example, as I mentioned earlier, where when you click on a specific date, you'll actually be able to modify. For example, instead of 9 to 5 p.m., you can actually change it for your business to open only in the afternoon. So you can set up 9 or 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So that's actually an option for you. So you can just click on save, and there, as you can see, only the specific day will be set for 1 to 5 p.m., while the others will be regular hours for 9 to 5. So, next thing here is that we can go to rooms and resources. This is where you'll be able to set on what type of resources or what type of platform you'll be using for your availability. And you can even set up for global scheduling limits as well if you offer your services globally. So, the next thing that we will be tackling today is appointment types. Today, we will be this would be allowing you to create more appointments. So, for example, your business does not only offer consultation, let's say you offer other classes as well, like internship or anything that you have, you can definitely use that as well. So, here, for example, when you click a new type of service, you can actually, let's say you offer therapy. You can use that as an example, or you can have design presentation or design workshop. You can definitely indicate that as well, depending on what your business offers. So you can even set the date, the duration rather, on how long that specific service would take. You can even choose whether it would be public or would be private. So there you have it. Once you have set another appointment, you'll be able to see here that there are two types of appointments that you have. Another type here is class. So this will allow you to create a or schedule your appointments for a specific number of people. So for example, your class is about painting. So you will be talking about painting workshop. You'll be able to um, learn, or your clients will be able to learn the basics or introduction to painting. Then you can set how many people will be there. You can even choose a file for them to browse more on what the program is about, and then you can just hit and save, and then painting will be added into the different appointments that you have as well. So here as well, aside from the appointment types, you can even click on add-ons. You will be able to create an add-on where you will be able to, for example, there's another service. So with painting, you also have another service where they can, aside from discussions, they can also add on with a hands-on, or they can do painting on their end as well. Or if you offer, aside from painting, you offer other art activities like pottery or anything that you could offer as an add-on. So here is another topic, or the last topic that we'll tackle about for beginners. You can actually click on schedule page links. So this is important, since once you have set up your availability and appointment types, you can schedule, or you can modify how you will be able to manage the perspective side, or your customer's perspective on how your scheduling will appear. So you will be able to modify on how your customers will be able to book your classes, how they will be able to set your appointments, and how it would look in their end. So you can click on customize appearance. Here you can change the appearance and how it would look like, whether it would be calendar view. You can even schedule page options as well. Then once everything has been set, when there will be a client that would set an appointment or consultation for you, it will automatically pop up here on your calendar that you can see on your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. So here you can set the appearance while where you can even incorporate the links on where they can click on it once they have successfully enrolled, or once they have successfully set up the appointments as well. And then later on, you can click on the left side panel. You'll be able to check on how to set up the payment options and a lot more. But for me here, it's just for a demo. All of my services that I have is actually for free since this is just for demo. But when you create an appointment or an availability, you can actually set up the pricing from there as well. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to set up Acuity scheduling. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.